Can somebody explain this to me? How does it feel when you are about to take your favorite trade, the trade I've been waiting for a very long time, and the next thing, road shedding? So this is what happened to me today. You know, I woke up early, I looked at the market. After looking at the market, I realized that I'm about to have some buying opportunity from gold. And then, but was not ready. I was like, no, I need to wait some confirmations so that I can be able to enter the market. And then after that, I waited. When I'm about to take the trade and send the trade to my team, this is what happened. Road shedding. I was like, maybe it's just gonna be maybe 10-minute type shit. You feel me? Bro, it's been 2 hours right now as we speak. It's been 2 hours. And the trade, bro, it's already gone. So when I try to look at my laptop, because my laptop, usually I use it I only use it when it's time like this, load shedding. This is what I found, because I haven't charged it for a very, very long time. About 2 months now. You feel me? So this is what I found. Damn, bro, it's crazy. It's crazy. Now the market is busy moving so fast. Right now, I have been making some money, but now I'm just looking at the screens like a toys, bro. It's crazy, man. Like, it's very crazy. So I feel so mad right now, man. I don't feel good for it. But anyways, it's all good. Bad day, it's all good. Maybe you never know. You never know. Maybe something bad was gonna happen even in the market. Anyway, but the market, of course, went in the direction that I was hoping the market to go to. So, of course, it was gonna be a good day. If we could take that trade, right now we have been made a lot of money. But anyways, guys, it's the last day of trading. It's Friday. You feel me? Let's find out some other things that we can do. So right now I'm gonna start my day. I just gonna go with the flow. I don't know what to do today. I just gonna go with the flow. But I think I'm gonna go have my haircut. Just gonna go have my haircut, guys. Let's go. Yeah, gang, as I said, I'm going to get myself some haircut. Feel me? It's Friday. I don't know what to do. But if anything comes up, you feel me? I'll pull up. Feel me? So once you link me up today, I'll pull up. Remember, I deserve one water. I just wanna go have one after getting my haircut. Maybe one water. Don't drink and drive. Maybe one water type shit. But honestly, guys, I really don't know. I don't know anything about my day, since my plan was to wake up in the morning, make money from the market, but I couldn't make money today because road shedding. So let's go get some haircut. After the haircut, I'll see what's gonna pop up. So let's go, baby. But anyways, though, even though I missed the trade, doesn't mean it's the end of everything. We still have next week. We still have next week. Let's keep our capital safe. Next week is still gonna make money. So yeah, man, let's go.
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Hey, look at this guy.
Look at how y'all live it.
Just
10
come
toe
close.
stepping.
Look at this man. Look at this man. Look at this man. Look at this man. Look at how y'all live it. Lolook at this directing man over here. Look at how you guys live it.
Yeah, outside, man.
Look at
Outside. You see this nigga right here, man. It's been 3 years, bro. I've been seeing him for a very long time.
Yeah,
Word.
yeah.
Nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you too, bro.
you. Look at our last spot.
That's all I'm saying.
Wow, you see this guy right here, bro?
Yeah.
Very good director, man.
Word.
Make sure vote for him. Just tell him your height, bro.
Nazi Umtinai, that's my Instagram handle.
Insert video below.
Just, yeah, Umtinai. UMTHINY.
Yeah, that shit blinked in the picture, dude. Like, yo, you lost the aura.
Just send me.
Actually, let me get the view of how you guys are outside at night. Word.
Outside.
You guys outside.
Hey, we outside, we gotta go. Hey, there's my bitch.
What you say?
So we joined us here today, 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in South Africa. And I believe you.
Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh word. Bye, nigga. We see you, bye. We see. Why you closing the window? Don't act brand new. What y'all say?
Just gotta have arcade for drama. Gonna go to Marvel right now, you know.
What's good, gang? Yeah, man, we done with our day in life for today. Actually, what I did today, I did link up with my boys, but the only one thing which I didn't do, I didn't cut my hair, bro. I didn't get myself a haircut because I was I was late, bro. As soon as I lectured at the shop, was closing, bro. But maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow, I'll go get myself some haircut. But today, I couldn't be able because I was late, bro. But probably right now, I'm driving home right now. Let me go get some sleep. So y'all, if you're into the channel, man, make sure subscribe. Yeah, more videos about, about market analysis are coming. More strategies are coming. So just make sure stay tuned. And if you are not in the Free Telegram channel, make sure you join. The link is on the description below. And guys, I'm keeping on reminding you guys, if you wanna use the best blocker, make sure check my link on description below. Alright? Because that broker, bro, the broker still got 100% welcome bonus. If you deposit $100, it's gonna appear in your account as $200, which means they have 100% welcome bonus up to $500. So when you deposit $500, you already know it's gonna appear as 1,000. So you don't wanna mix that, because that's gonna help you to have a big capital to trade with. So peace out. Make sure subscribe, and see you on the next one.